In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer payment in Odoo Accounting software. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own Odoo account without any confusion. If you need to remove a payment entry that was added by mistake or is no longer needed, Odoo gives you a quick way to do that directly from the customer payments list. To begin, open Odoo and go to the Accounting app. This is where you manage financial activity, including invoices, payments, and customer transactions. Once you're inside the accounting area, look to the top left toolbar and click on Customers. This section contains the accounting records related to your customers, so it's the right place to go when you want to work with payments they've made. After clicking Customers, select Payments. This will take you to the Payments page where you can review the customer payments currently recorded in the system. On this screen, you'll see a list of payments along with useful information, such as their status and other payment details. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct record before deleting anything, especially if you have multiple payments with similar amounts or dates. Once you find the payment you want to remove, select it by checking the box next to that payment. This tells Odoo which record you want to apply an action to. After that, go to the top of the page and click Actions. A drop-down menu will appear with different options you can perform on the selected payment. From that menu, choose Delete. As soon as you do that, the customer payment will be deleted from the list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a customer payment in Odoo Accounting software. One quick tip before you finish. Always double-check that you're deleting the right payment, since removing the wrong one could affect your records and reporting. If you're working in a shared accounting environment, it's also a good idea to confirm whether the payment is still needed before deleting it. That's the full process. Go to the Accounting app, open Customers, choose Payments, select the payment you want to remove, click Actions, and then choose Delete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.